how to change a spending limit for Instagram ads. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your spending limit for Instagram ads. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And here also make sure that you have converted your Instagram account to business or professional account. Now here, once you are inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the profile section. Now here, once you are on the profile section, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the settings section. From here, if you scroll down, there you can see the option labeled as Created Tools and Controls. So just tap on that, and now here inside this section at the top you can see the option labeled as Add Payments. So just tap on it, and now here inside the Add Payments, choose your billing payments methods. And now here, once you are inside this section, simply scroll all the way down and tap on Account Spending Limit. And here, once you're inside this section, just tap on Edit button at the top right and then change and then enter your new spending limit. And here, once you're done with that, simply tap on check mark at the bottom right and finally tap save. And after that, your updated spending limit is now active and will apply to your Instagram ad account. And that's it. That's how you can change a spending limit for Instagram ads. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.